welcome to the Pusheen Summer 2019 box unboxing. I have with me a little guy and a little girl. Which one of you wants to introduce yourself first? What's your name?
CW.
I don't think they could hear you. Try it one more time. I couldn't hear you.
CW.
Okay, and what's your name?
Angus.
A little bit louder?
Angus.
Excellent. Okay, so both of you sit up straight. It might help. Just saying. Just saying, sitting up straight is always a good idea because your voice comes from your belly. And she knows that because she's in theater. All right, so CW noticed something about this package. What did you notice? What did it look like? What did it remind you of?
Scoops Ahoy. Scoops Ahoy from Stranger Things.
Scoops Ahoy from Stranger Things. That's actually in Dunkin' Donuts too.
No,
And
it's
I didn't.
Baskin Robbins.
Sorry. That's right.
It's basically Scoops Ahoy.
Baskin Robbins. Okay, so the one we go to sometimes has a Dunkin' Donuts attached to it, so I got the two mixed up. Anyhow, so this is kind of like a sailing theme, I think. And so what we're going to see inside of here is probably a bunch of products that look like sailing. So here is the product list for the summer 2019 box. And on one side, it has a cute little picture of
Why do I have to see all of that?
Pusheen and...
That's actually really cute.
Is this Stormy?
No, that's Stormy, and that's the
Stormy and another cat,
and the
kitten.
you know the Crayola markers that are like really, really small?
Yeah.
That's what his name is.
I don't know what they're called. Do you know what the small
The
markers
really,
are
really
called?
Small markers.
Well, if either of you remember. On the opposite side, they have the listing of the items, and there's 8. So we're going to start with, although I know, CW, you're going to look at this and be like, I want this for myself, I'm going to give you a little warning. Even though it's awesome,
I know
and
it's huge.
it's going to be huge. This striped tee with Sailor Pusheen is perfect for cool summer nights. And actually, we're headed to California in August, and they actually have cool summer nights.
That's a medium.
It's a medium,
Oh wait.
a male medium.
Oh, that's
So
a male?
basically, this
I
thing
thought
is
it
going to
was a
be
woman.
huge on me.
Oh, I thought it was a woman's.
Because I wear like a woman's small to a woman's medium. So this thing,
Dad could have it.
Medium.
Daddy wears like a size large. It would be too small for him. So what I'll do is, I think the arms...
Give it to Rex.
No. The arms actually work on me because I've got long arms. And I'll just tuck it into a pair of shorts or something, or jeans, yeah. But it's nice. It's got this cute little embroidered...
Why is this so soft?
I think when you're older, you'll be able to wear it because you're going to probably be tall like me. But this is a, there's like an embroidered Pusheen on it. And he's wearing a little sailor hat. Or wait, is Pusheen a girl or a boy? It's a girl.
Yeah.
See, I look at Pusheen and see a boy. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I've never actually
is
ever
my
seen
new
a
favorite
girl.
Pusheen.
Well, actually,
This is totally my new favorite Pusheen.
Pusheen, the name comes from Pusheen, which means
Kitten,
kitten
right?
in French.
So this is...
Yes, I'm French.
Okay. This I guess is going to be mine just by default, and I kind of love it. So I'll definitely try on Instagram to take a photograph of me wearing it in California. Maybe you can bring a blue and white striped shirt with you and we can match. All right, why don't we decide? Okay, so this is the one I think that might be a hard one for the children to decide upon.
No, you can choose it.
It's a Sailor Pusheen. It's a Pusheen box exclusive, and it is...
I mean, I have like every Pusheen thing.
Oh, it's a Sailor vinyl figure. Oh, I'm sorry. There's 9 items in here. So, okay, this look. What are you telling me with that look? What do you want? Do you want this?
Yes.
Okay. Well, then, officially, we are giving the Sailor Pusheen vinyl figure to Angus. All right. Next. Now, I have a suspicion who might want this one. Although it would look really cute with the striped t-shirt.
I could wear that like with a striped shirt for like cosplay.
So what this is a bandana.
What's a
And
bandana?
it's something, it's like a scarf that you can wrap around your neck or use like a hair kerchief or something.
I also like cosplaying.
It
so
says,
I could use it for
add a fun accent to your outfit with this bandana. Okay, so why don't we unfold it and take a look. And then we'll decide. Now,
That is too cute.
do you want to have this bandana?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Especially for cosplay.
CW is claiming the bandana, but I do have
For
a question
cosplay.
to ask you. Could I bring this?
No, we can share it.
Can I wear it in California with this cute?
No,
little...
we can share it. It's
That
Yours
seems
and mine.
reasonable. And
And then
I
I
share
get something
share like belts and scarves with you too. All right, so this is yours. Enjoy.
Oh, it's cold. It smells weird.
There are 2 of these in here.
Is that a wallet?
Yes.
Oh
No, it's not a wallet. It's
cute. I don't like those.
no. What I was thinking though is we could give Rex one, and then I could have the other one.
Yeah, I don't.
So
like
it's these are called koozies for canned drinks, and I actually drink.
Yeah, she drinks way too much candy.
I don't not sodas though.
Yeah, not sodas, but like wine.
I drink canned wine. And actually now they have these like canned products that like have vodka and like grapefruit juice, and they're really good. So, this is all for the pool because we're not allowed to have glass at the pool. So I've had to like whenever I go to the pool and I want to bring a drink with me, I have to have it in a can or in some sort of like a swell bottle. All right, so there's
I need that.
You want
Can
one?
I have the one?
You want the pink one? The
When
red
I'm
one?
older.
Okay. Well, then what I'll do is I'll give Rexy the blue one with the sailor and the telescope, and
That's
Angus will get the
right.
sailor one with the kind of pinkish red background.
Yeah, because I have this.
So
sailor,
Rexy,
and I don't need
who
too
is
much
probably
sailor.
not going to bother to come over here. Hey, Rex, do you want to get your gift now from Pusheen? He says no. He has no desire. Okay, well, he exists and he's living back there. And if you've watched enough of my videos, you've heard this one and Rex fighting a few times. All right, so this next one is kind of interesting.
Is that a salad thing?
This is a salad thing. It is said. So Angus, this may not actually be the best one for you because it's not actually a cup. It's a salad thing.
Yeah, I know.
It says, store your lunch in this food container that comes with a dressing, cup, and a fork. So the fork is back here. So
Yeah.
here's the dressing. I mean, here's the little cup. So
Do
I guess.
we have like a plan for next year? We aren't like eating like all Uncrustables and stuff.
Well, so I admit to probably being the #1 purchaser of Uncrustables in the United States of America. And now there's this desire, in a minute, now there's this desire for us to go away from Uncrustables.
I mean, we can eat Uncrustables sometimes.
So what I'm going to say is that if you want the CW, you can have this one, okay?
It says
All right.
lazy on it. So.
All right, now next is a to-do list.
That's not me.
This is something I need for my classroom.
Yeah.
I really do.
I don't have
So
a
I'm gonna have to
classroom, so-
like claim this one. However, Angus, when you come into my classroom next year, it actually has a magnet on the back too, so it can go on my board. It says to-do list, and I can put it up there. And then that way, whenever I remember, like, oh, darn it, I gotta get that done, I can put it on my to-do list. So this is perfect for my classroom. Now, next
What is that? Is that like a
is
cake thing?
it's a photo holder.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought that was
It
like
says
a
display your favorite photo or hold memos with this Pusheen photo holder.
Mom,
It's super cute.
Mom,
Hold on one second, Angus. And then the back has a little clip. What would you like to ask me?
it's a photo.
We do want to try it out with her picture from when she was a baby? All right, grab it. Grab that
Can
photo.
it be me?
What,
Oh,
it's,
not.
it's the one of you.
Can I do it? Can I do it because it's mine?
Your photo?
Yeah,
Okay,
it's my
so.
photo as a baby.
All right, do that. Undo it.
I mean, you
Okay,
can't
hurry,
tell the
hurry, hurry,
difference, right? I mean, you can't tell the
Here, let go.
difference.
All right. Oh, that's cute.
You
So.
can't tell the difference.
Well, I mean, we could just use the photo holder right there to hold up this photo, which has not been held up all these years.
Yeah.
Should we do that? Okay. So, by the way, the cuteness that was CW at that age. Oh my goodness. Adorable. All right, go put it over there.
I know, right?
We're using it right away. It's just going to be a family thing. Put it right there.
I was the cutest baby.
She was really cute. So was Angus and so was Rex. Right there.
I remember.
Most excellent. All right. Sit.
I remember.
Right there.
changing
Okay.
Why am I
these
doing all the
diapers.
tools?
No, I'm not doing all the chores. Okay, this is actually something we're going to share as a family because, and I wanted to wait till today.
I stabbed myself.
Okay, well,
Damn.
be careful. All right. So tonight, the reason I wanted to unbox today on Wednesday, today's Wednesday, is because tonight, weather being perfect, is what night? At the pool?
Raft night.
Raft night!
Raft night.
Raft night! Woo! And guess what?
Angus can
We
use
got
it.
a raft in
I use
the
it.
Pusheen box.
Yeah, Angus can use it because I'm probably gonna share like one with Rita
Okay.
or something.
But this can be a family one.
I know.
Because I haven't know.
Apparently, this thing's huge.
Oh.
So I know that a lot of people,
Oh,
when they
there's like a
receive
little
this,
sauce thing.
yeah, look at that for the salad.
I make amazing chocolate salad, so.
Anyhow, so this is something that a lot of people couldn't use in their Pusheen box because I think a lot of people who receive Pusheen,
Are from Canada.
no, not
It's a thing.
Canada. It's Canada. I'm sure they've got lakes. They can use the
Cold though.
pool float.
Really cold.
Canadians, tell her that you all use pool floats, even though it's cold.
What are the
Okay.
Canadians not want
There are
this?
definitely Canadians who watch my channel. Okay. Anyway, so Canadians represent. Yeah, holla. Anyway, this pool float though, if you're in like a city, I guess there's certain cities where if you want to go to the pool, you can't bring floats with you. But and our pool technically has no float rules except on float night or raft night. So, but we have raft night once a week, so we can get to use it at least 12 to 13 times this summer. Okay, so that's it. That's the 9 items from
Wait,
the
you can
Pusheen
also
box.
use it at the
Sailor
beach.
theme.
You can also
We
use
can use it at the beach.
Wait, what's
It's a something. Oh wait.
Is that a keychain?
No, we're not done with the items, and this is definitely for me.
Wait,
What is it? Wait,
Is it a keychain or
it's a keychain.
wine thing?
Give me
It
the
says
keychain.
no,
Give me
no.
the-
Wait, what
It's
is
for
it?
Mama because what it's attached to. This mini keychain
No, give me the-
flask
Is
can
that like a
hold
hydro
1
flask?
ounce of your beverage of choice. So a flask, if I wanted to. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. It's just the ridiculously most tiny flask I've ever seen. Okay, so what you do is you can put water in here, I guess, if you wanted to, or you could put like pills, or you could put like an ounce of
A backpack.
Coca-Cola. But the point is that it's supposed to have like an ounce of something like
A
wine,
backpack.
like a shot of something, right? Exactly, which you know nothing about because you're still
Yes,
under
I know.
21. Just saying. All right, so I think
I just remember.
I
you
think
asked
my
me
3
once
items
about
are
that, so
pretty perfect for me. These
I can
work
wear
for
that
me.
when I'm older.
Yes,
Costume.
you absolutely can.
I can
And
wear this
Angus's
that
little
one.
items are perfect for. Are they perfect for you?
Yeah.
Okay. And CW, are your items perfect for you? And Rexy, is your little koozie perfect for you when you have your sodas? A koozie. Well, which for your sodas? Anyway. And hey, Rex, we also have a new pool float. Okay. All right. See, he agrees with that. All right. I've lost my son. You're still around, so let's go say bye. It was nice seeing you. We'll see you for fall 2019.
Pizza
Goodbye. Goodbye.